Good morning, Jasmine.
Can I ask you something?
Yes, of course, anything.
I'm looking for a new range. Can you recommend one?
What's a new range?
Range, like a small oven, heat food quickly.
Oh, a small oven to heat up food. We call that a microwave.
Oh, do Americans call it microwave?
Yes.
Oh, then I'm looking for a new microwave. Can you recommend one?
Yeah, you can get a new microwave from Costco.
Oh, I see. Thank you.
Anytime.
안녕하세요 여러분. 오늘의 콩글리시 주제는 차가운 음식을 데울 때 사용하는 전자레인지입니다. 전자레인지는 올바른 표현이 아니고요. 바른 표현은 마이크로웨이브입니다. 기억해두세요.